How to log in into Milestone Credit Card account online. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser, or you can move into Safari. Let's head over to Safari. Once you are in here, in the search bar, search for Milestone Credit Card login. Different sites will be visible to you. You can head over to any one of it. Let me move into this one. It will land you on the official page of Milestone. Now click on this 3 horizontal line at the top right corner. And then click on My Account. It will redirect you to the page where you'll be able to log into your account. So first of all, what you want to do is enter the username that you have set while creating your account. And once you are done, enter the password that you have created before. In case if you have forgotten your password or username, click on Forgot Your Username or Password. Follow the on-screen process and then you'll be able to recover it. Once you have entered your username and password, click on Login. Then you will be successfully logged into your account and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to log in into your Milestone Credit Card account online. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.